Managing your IT infrastructure is challenging enough these days. Add in an acquisition, consolidation, or a big project, and resources that are already stretched thin can just about burst at the seams. Park Place Professional Services is here to help. With a range of flexible, dependable IT support services, including everything from your everyday needs like on-site installs, moves, adds, and changes of hardware, remote hands, and staff augmentation, to bigger initiatives like discovery services, deployments, data center relocation, data migration, IT asset disposition, and wireless transformation. Every project is assigned a dedicated project manager to ensure a seamless customer experience and guarantee we deliver against your desired outcomes. Our teams employ detailed and defined processes honed over years of experience, so even if a project is new to you, you can be confident knowing that Park Place Professional Services has led dozens of companies through a similar exercise. And since we're a part of Park Place Technologies, the world's largest provider of third-party data center hardware maintenance, you can be sure we have the parts and the people when and where you need them. Contact us today for a free consultation. Park Place Professional Services. Experienced engineers, proven processes, predictable outcomes.